Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today I'm going to tell you what you need to do before you start out. So you've made the decision to start working out, to start a diet. What do you need to do before you start? I'm going to laugh, but the key to working out is selfies. You're like, selfies, really? Yes. The reason being, you look at yourself every day in the mirror. You can't necessarily see those results. And as we're just starting out, the scale may not show it. Muscle weighs more than fat. So if you haven't been working out, we could actually gain weight in a month, 6 weeks. And if we don't see any results, that's when we quit. There's a trick, there's a process, and a key to doing it. I'm gonna show you how and tell you what to do. Okay, so if you're a woman, you're gonna pick out a bikini, sports bra, some short shorts, some that you can see your legs and the back of your thighs. If you're a guy, some swim trunks, but the swim trunks need to be up a little higher, maybe some boxers. You wanna be able to see your quads and the back of your thighs as far as to see the results. So we picked out our outfit. So now we gotta pick out our background. So wherever you take your pictures, that's where you're always gonna take your pictures, because lighting can make the pictures look different. The same way as if you take a picture in the department store mirror, or you flex in one mirror and then you go flex in another one and it looks different just because of the lighting. The same way with the clothes, different colored clothes changes. So that's why it's always the same clothes, because they're the same color, and it's always the same background, because we actually want to be able to see the results we're getting. So you got your outfit. So now there are 3 poses we're gonna do, okay? So I'm gonna show you. You look at the Weight Watchers commercials and stuff, you notice the before pictures are always in a dingy blue background, bright blue background, because colors mess with your eyes, like I was telling you before. So the bright makes it look better, okay? So with this too, I can stand this way, okay, slouched over, and then you can see it looks more belly than what I've got. Then I can stand this way and flex, and then you can see my abs. That looks about 5 pounds difference. Okay, so standing in a certain way really determines your selfies. So we really want to know, like I was telling you before. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stand, we're going to have our shoulders straight up, our hands to the side, and we're just going to relax. We're not going to push out, we're not going to suck in, we're just going to stand. Okay? Then we're going to step sideways, do the same thing. Then we're going to step to the back, do the same thing. Don't flex out, don't hold your arms out. And like I said, you will have shorter shorts on where we can see our full body pictures, quads, and so forth. Here I just got shorts on for this. You notice that I have the phone sitting up. We can't physically hold the phone, because if I fold the phone, then I'm taking away definition and so forth. So you need to set the phone down. You want to set it sort of at a straight angle, like I said, where you can see the full body, or have somebody take the pictures. Okay, so now we're taking our pictures. So each week, let's say if we start on Monday, so every Monday in the morning before we eat, that's when we're taking our pictures, and that's when we weigh. So Monday, then the next Monday, another set of pictures, then another set of pictures, and another set of pictures. I'm gonna give you an example. One of my clients a couple years ago in Virginia, we'll call her Andrea. She didn't work out. She came to me, and we worked out 2 to 3 times a week, okay? I made her step on the scale to start with, and I made her do her pictures. Now, these are her pictures. Her husband took her pictures. Like I said, these pictures are for y'all. This is for you to see results. If you want to share them down the road, that's great. You never know who you can inspire. But back to Andrea. So we took the pictures, okay? She took her pictures week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. End of the month, we weighed. She had either lost a pound or gained a pound. I can't even remember what it was. If she did not have those pictures, she would have quit. Because she's like, I'm working 3 days a week in the gym, working hard, I'm eating well, and I'm not seeing that scale number come down. I said, what do your pictures look like? She said, well, me and my husband see a difference. I said, exactly. Muscle weighs more than fat. We've built some muscle. I said, now there's been 4 weeks. I said, we'll probably get her another week, and then we'll start to lose. It'll start to show on the scale. The next month, she lost 7 to 8 pounds. Then we hit her goal of 40 pounds. I think it took like 6 months. She had a lot of stuff going on, but she hit her goal of 40 pounds. I'm actually gonna put her picture up of the billboard that we were at and you can see Andrea, and maybe zoom in and you can see her little testimony. But back to my point If she didn't have those pictures, she would have quit because she wasn't seeing the number on that scale come down. And it may not show it to begin with. It may show that we lost 12 pounds in a week. Then that next week, we lost 2. Just remember, we're going to weigh each week, not every day. If you weigh every day, your weight fluctuates 1 to 2 to 3 pounds every day, every other day. Did you poop that day? How much water you had to drink? So stop looking at that scale because your first day, hey, look, I lost 2 pounds. When the next day you go up and you're 3 pounds higher and you're like, oh, wait a minute. I did this exercise, I did this exercise. Just weigh once a week. Don't get fixated on a number. Women are like, hey, I want to weigh 128 pounds. Why? If I have you at 134 pounds and you're ripped to shred, what does it matter about a number? Don't get focused on a number. It's good to have a number for a goal, but have those pictures. Look and see what your body looks like. And some of you are like, well, I don't want to take the pictures. Good. Take those pictures. I hope it disgusts you. That way it's going to motivate you in the gym. Take those pictures. If you live by yourself, put it on your refrigerator. Put it on your pantry. Or take pictures of a dress or bikini that you want to wear, or a picture of a cruise or a beach that you want to go to. Have something to motivate you. That way when you want to cheat on your diet, you start to open that pantry. Nope, not going to do it. Start to open that fridge. Nope, I have goals. I'm going to stick to it, okay? And then stay tuned in to our other videos, and we're going to tell you how to eat healthy and our workout videos. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we're trying to educate many people as we can and get you healthy. Okay, so remember, the key to starting out is selfies. Take your pictures, you gotta be able to see those results. Results motivates us. We have to stay motivated. We have to have something showing that our hard work is paying off. And remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And remember, don't sit, get fit.